Sir, I had read a book of you that is Your Turn to be Millionaire. In that one, I had seen a
Which
quotation.
book you have read?
Your
सक्सेस बोल
turn
रहा
to
है
be.
पहले
Asha Millionaire.
Yeah.
सक्सेस का
In that
हो
one,
गया?
you have it in you, just unfold yourself. I want to ask regarding for our studies and this quotation. It is a related one because whatever we study every day, our professors tell think out of the box, think differently, same things. Can you please suggest us how to unfold?
I think it's very, very simple. Whatever strength you have got inside, that strength you must know. I believe there are two kinds of lives. One, the exterior, one from the interior. Like you're having the clothes, this is your external side, how you pose yourself, how you reflect yourself, how people see you in person. But there is a person inside also. What's that inside person? How you communicate with that? What are those intrinsic qualities? What is something inside very special which makes you a winner or which makes you go places in your life? It means maybe your determination, your attitude, your paradigm. A paradigm means the way you look at the things, see things, perceive things, understand things. Your attitude, your focus, your commitment levels, your competence, all the strength inside put together. And more than that, it is something with your value system. It means the personal integrity, the compassion, the kindness, the character. Now, a character is an internal quality which comes with your birth. So your character, your integrity, your compassion, your humility, your humbleness, these are the basic qualities. I believe wherever you reach in a life, whatever you achieve, whatever you accomplish, whether it's Sachin Tendulkar or Shah Rukh Khan or maybe any other achiever in the life, you will find that these people are humble people. This humbleness is a product of your character. Now the character can be defined, cannot be redefined. It's you're born with. It's about your truthfulness, the true inside you. Look at the person like Shri Ravi Shankar or maybe some of the other spiritual gurus. From where they draw the strength to showcase their talent in the world. It's the inside you, the character, the integrity. That's your strength. If you draw upon your that character or that strength and unfold that one, you can easily win the outside world. The character is a major thing, and if you take character as a coin, the coin has got two sides. It means the second side of the character is called courage. Character and courage go together all the time. All the stories of winners in this world are the stories of the great courage and great character. Can you recollect the movie Lagan? You must have seen.
Yes, sir.
What is the character of woman? To stand in the face of adversities.
Yes.
When adversities are the highest level, when he has been challenged by the English governor that you make a match of me, play with me, can you accept this one? Either you give me the 2 or 3 times of the Lagan or I'll forgive it if you defeat me in the match. Now, most of the people in the village and surrounding areas took it as a kind of threat
Right.
that we'll become more miserable in the life. But this man, Bhuvan, saw an opportunity in that one. He had that kind of courage. And courage came from where? Your
Yes.
truthfulness.
Yes.
And truth is basically a reflection of your character. And that's what makes a winner a Bhuvan. A Bhuvan is inside you also. All the time we are lost in a state of dilemma, confusion, what to do. In the field of Kurukshetra, the Arjun was confused what to do. All my people are there. The mama, chacha, uncles, aunts, whatever related people are there. Everybody is in the battlefield. How can I fight with him? But then there is a Krishna inside you, which shows you the right path. Between good and bad, you can differentiate. Right and wrong, you can differentiate. I think the character, truthfulness, and courage equips you people to differentiate between right and wrong. This is something I tell people, unfold yourself. Rely on your strength, that's your character. That's your truthfulness. That's your love. That's your compassion. That's the kindness. That's the humbleness. That's the courage. These are the eternal qualities which cannot be redefined. Every other thing can be redefined in this world, but not your character, not your truthfulness. And same thing was spoken by Swami Vivekananda also. In the great length, he had spoken in the Chicago was and other places. What he was speaking? Only about the truth and the courage and the being compassionate to the people. Once Vivekananda ji was sitting with his guru, Swami Ramakrishna Paramhans, and he asked a simple question to his Gurudev, like you asked me this question, that how come some people who go through the holy scriptures all day never get an essence out of that? इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि जो व्यक्ति सारा दिन धार्मिक ग्रंथ पढ़ते रहते हैं उन्हें ज्ञान की प्राप्ति कभी नहीं होती है, वो सिर्फ रीड करते रहते हैं. तो then Swamiji understood the dilemma of Vivekananda, and his nickname was Naren.
Yes.
He said, Naren, have you seen the vultures flying in the sky? They fly at very great altitude of 2 kilometers, 3 kilometers above the earth's crust. And these vultures are blessed with something very special in the world. They can see everything clearly from that height. What's on the earth? The crust. But what they look for from that height? How they use their eyesight, the sharpest eyesight. They look for the dead animals. With such a beautiful blessing, what they're looking for is dead animals. So where is the essence in that one? It means they are not relying upon the true blessings of the God, the character, the truthfulness, the courage, the kindness, the humility, the humbleness. That's what I emphasized upon in my books. Unfold yourself means your truthfulness, your character and integrity.